The last 2 years have been among the toughest on record for the Irish tourism industry. COVID-19 has had a devastating impact on staffing and skills. As the industry reopened in 2021, our focus was on supporting businesses in their recruitment drive. To help businesses compete for staff, we provided supports and expert guidance on how to recruit in challenging times and showcase the breadth and variety of careers across the sector. Using tourismcareers.ie, we highlighted the range, flexibility and opportunity that tourism offers. Vibrant social media campaigns and motivational content shone a spotlight on great employers who went above and beyond in making tourism a rewarding and appealing workplace. We worked together with our colleagues in third-level education to promote the rich variety of courses available, optimizing the tourismcareers.ie website and delivering strategic digital marketing campaigns. The summer presented an opportunity to recruit students who were available for temporary work. Together we helped businesses to build and sustain relationships with local education providers, to access talent pools of students and recent graduates. To help alleviate the pressure on businesses to upskill new staff, 2021 saw significant on-the-job upskilling opportunities with the launch of online professional development courses. In September, the Be the Pulse campaign launched to give tourism businesses a voice to amplify and broadcast their exciting vacancies. Recently, we completed an extensive body of research, the most comprehensive engagement with employers and employees to date, delivering insights which have been critical in shaping our plans for 2022. Together, we're looking forward to showing our resilience. As we emerge from the shadow of COVID-19, we will continue to support the industry to rebuild its talent and skills to drive recovery. This is one of the greatest challenges facing our industry, and we are committed to tackling it together.